Hi there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write in different fonts on Facebook posts. Not only fonts, but in bold letters, italic or whatever. It's very simple. So, open up Facebook and try to write a post. I'm gonna discard this post just for a second, so if you don't know, let me just show you how real quickly. Just click on what's on your mind and you will get to write a post here. So what you need to do is write something. For example, hi there everyone. But let's say we want this in a different font and bold. I'm just going to copy it. And what you need to do next is go to your browser and go to lingojam.com, and here you can pretty much get any font you want and in any type you want. So let's have it in bold serif. I'm going to copy it and I'm gonna paste it right below. You see, the fonts are two different kinds, and bottom one is bold as well. So I'm just gonna click post, and there you go. This is how you write on Facebook in different fonts and thicknesses. Hope this helps. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.